This Congress managed to gather all the best talents and top-notch companies across the industry. The conference itself is on the edge of Pharma and IT, which helps to narrow down the list of participants to those who really, one way or another, relates to this sector.
It was really beneficial to have here a new perspective, bringing science, regulatory and also digital as the main aspect together. And this helped me get new perspectives, new contacts.
Personal manager helped us to reach out to specific people, coordinate meetings, and also streamline the whole procedures what we have planned for this event. So it increased our success rate and we were very happy with what we got.
I think it's a good opportunity to meet some new companies you don't know and get to know their interesting ideas. And I think we can really good use to take them with us and find some new projects, maybe together with them, have some new partnerships and also get some new ideas how to go further on with your existing projects.
With some colleagues from industry, had some interesting talks about which solutions are out there, on the one hand from the vendors, but also on the other hand from other companies and colleagues to hear how they overcome certain challenges. And I think that is the nice thing about AUTOMA, is that it brings the digitalization tools, but also the experience from the industry that gives you this extra layer of what you can take home back to your company.